Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin and right now I'm in Kandolem. I'm diagonally opposite Fisherman's Cove restaurant and I'll be taking you in these lanes because I have not shown you these areas. So in these lanes as well you can find many places where you can get accommodation for guest house, and then there are restaurants like these as well. Time and leisure hotels. What is this here? Let me see if I can go in this lane. So we will be hitting a lot of dead ends, but then I wanted to show you these areas also. So this here is mentioned like that it is a private road. But yeah, let me just see what is there over here. Maybe it's a private road that belongs to some sort of guest house or something. No, it's mostly locals that live here. So let me just take a U-turn from here and get out of this road. We entered the wrong lane guys, but this is the lane that I wanted to enter. Okay, so here as well, maybe in front we might hit a dead end because some of these roads do lead to the beach, but yes, there are dead ends here as well. So what is this here? The Mandarin Goa. Let's see if we can go towards the beach. No, beach के लिए road है. Okay. So I just asked the guard over here. He said yes, there is a road that goes to the beach. So some of you had asked us in the comments that you wanted to see the access to the beach. Well, to go to the beach area, yes, there are many different access points, and this is one of the access points to the beach. What's this here? Okay, can we go here? I think we can, although it's a very extremely narrow road, and there was a pool just on my left here. The only thing that scares me when I come to such places are dogs, but luckily, thank God, there is no dog over here. Okay, so this is access to the beach on the right here, you saw, and this is another narrow road that I have taken, but I don't really know which way this will take me to. Yes, this is a dead end. We're out on the main road guys, and on my left here there's Delfino's. This place, this supermarket as well is quite well known in case you want to get some products that you don't usually get in all the grocery stores. Okay, now I'm going to take this right because I haven't taken you guys inside this lane as well. This is the primary health center of Kandolem. So this is where you can get vaccines and stuff, if I'm not mistaken, because we had come all the way here for a COVID vaccination. Yeah, this looks like the place. This here on the right, and on the left also, I'm guessing. As you can see, there's an ambulance here, and the car in front of me is going very slowly, and he's written do not honk, so I have done that although he's going very slowly. Okay, Ayurvedic treatment left on the left here, private property on the right here, and yes, over here as well there are some small shops, and there's a temple here. Yeah, so again we are going to hit a dead end soon. This side, yes, not a lot of guest houses and homestays, but still I wanted to show you. Maybe in front there is something if I remember, but let me just squeeze through this space where there was a tempo going, and this guy had to lift the wires here. As you can see, it's very risky. If you're coming here on your four-wheeler, look at this, Sada Sugandha, sorry. That's a restaurant. And these again here, doggy man here with a warning sign, beware of the dog. Yes. And this looks like another entrance towards the beach area. Yeah, this looks like another entrance towards the beach area. I'm not going to go there, or can I? Let me see. the sand is not loose here, so I can go a little bit ahead and take a U-turn from here. But obviously guys, on the beaches bikes are not allowed. Did I hear a dog bark? I don't know. But yeah, that's the beach, and this is Kandolim beach. Looks very nice today because it's sunny. As you can see in the distance, looks blue and with different shades of blue. And again, now I'm going to head out on the main road, and there is another lane. I mean, there are many other lanes. Let's just go ahead and let me show you some other places. So we are back on the main road guys, and like I said, there are many lanes here that I would like to show you. This left, I think I have shown you, not really sure. But yes, let's cover all the lanes on the right side, because this is where all the guest houses and the homestays are. And you might be wondering why I am covering these places. It's because many of you guys are planning for your trips in the month of November and December, I'm assuming. And there's a lane here next to Kandolim Deck Restaurant. Let's go in here. So that's the reason why I really wanted to cover these areas, because within these lanes here you will find many places where you can stay, and you can get a very good deal, especially if you book in advance, or even if you come here directly in the month of whenever, November, December, during the season time. And if there's nobody staying there, you can book it directly. So as you can see here, this lane as well goes towards the beach, I'm assuming. I was expecting a lot of dead ends in these lanes, but then, like I said, these areas have many spaces that I'm sure you'll be interested to see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a right. And by the way, speaking about Kandolim Deck, I think just like Baga Deck, it is open 24 hours if I'm not mistaken. You should check on Google, and the food is quite decent. I had a long time back over here, maybe around 5 or 6 years ago. The food was good. Now I don't really know how the quality of the food is, but yeah, do check the latest review. And besides that, if you're watching our videos, you might see that we are covering many restaurants for food vlogs. If you're visiting any place, do ensure that you check the latest vlogs. Okay, I've taken a right from this place here now. What's there over here? Have I come this side? Sea Mist Resort, Kanha Pure Veg. Those of you who want to have pure veg food, you can have pure veg food here, Kanha. And what's this? Okay, couple of doggy men over here, one with the belt, and he doesn't look very happy. Okay, maybe he is happy. What is this? Machani, look like a private property. Oh, we hit a speed breaker. But look at this view guys, what a view. You can see the ocean from a distance, because there's a little bit of a slope behind me. And just check this area out. I have been this side. There are restaurants here, but some are shut maybe, or under renovation. On the left here, I remember there were many restaurants that used to be there. And this is a parking space, and again we are going to hit a dead end. Yes, there you go, another entry point to the beach. This side, I don't know if there are many shacks during the season time. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, that's another entry point towards the beach. And look at this beautiful painting here. Back on the main road guys, and this is Sinona's. I'm not sure if it's an old place, but they are known for their pizzas. If I'm not mistaken, they are a chain of pizzerias. Anyway, I haven't had the food there. Ruffles here on the right. I've heard a lot about the English breakfast here, but honestly the best English breakfast that I've had in this area, Kalangut, Kandolim and Baga area, is at Mixed Place. Their breakfast is fantastic. Yes, the rate 700 rupees is on a slightly higher side, but it's very filling, guys. Their breakfast. What is this? Serenity by the beach. Yeah. Again, we've entered a lane where there are homestays and guest houses. The Mermaid Restaurant, well known. Grills and curries here. This is also a well-known place. Sunset Beach Resort. Yes, very famous place. Sunset Beach Resort, and they have a very good rating as well. If you're planning to book these places, if you are watching us from the UK and these places, I'm sure you must have definitely stayed in these places when you visited Kandolem. This road, yes, I know, because we had visited Chandrakant here on the right. Very famous restaurant, like it's a hole in a wall run by a Goan family. You get very affordable and decent thalis, and as you can see, this is another entry point towards the beach, and the water really looks amazing. It looks fantastic. Okay, let's go back from here. I would have loved to cover the beach, guys, but I don't really want to, because I would not encourage you to go in the ocean nowadays, because it's very rough, and there have been instances where people have drowned. So yeah, let's leave the beach areas for now. We can cover it during the season. And what's this right here? Let me see what's this ahead here. Is it another dead end? Maybe, but we'll still go ahead and check it out. And yeah, one more thing that I wanted to highlight, talking about restaurants, on Saturday afternoon, one of our relatives invited us for lunch, and we shortlisted lemon chili in Porvorim. Okay, after so many thorough checks. Look at this lovely space here, bar, I'm assuming. And if you want to visit places where you don't want a lot of noise, and just want to relax, that bar there looked like a good option if you wanted to grab a drink. Where does this road take us? Sorry. So like I said, I always say in the videos, although I've been here for so many years, there are some lanes and some roads which even I haven't seen. Okay, let's go straight on this road and see where it will take us. Yeah, so talking about lemon chili, I was so surprised because we perform like really thorough checks before visiting restaurants, because our relative, the aunt that I'm talking about, she wanted to treat us for lunch, and we were 4 of us. So obviously when we visit, the bill will at least be 3 to 4,000 rupees, and that's how much it was. But the sad part is, okay, wow, we've come out on the main road again wires dangling. Someone's very fixing. I want to follow him and see what he's doing. Yeah, so what I was saying is that we spent 4,000 rupees. Some starters, the taste was very good, but the quantity was not at all good. Like it was, so less. The mushrooms okay, and the grilled chicken bite. I mean, if you're okay with spending 300-400 rupees for a starter or whatever, and okay with getting small portions of food on your plate, then you will enjoy this place. But no, I'm not one of those people, because we've been to restaurant where the quality is great, the quantity is great, and the rates also are very good. So obviously I want to support these restaurants. Let me just take a right here from here. This is the road that will take us towards Salt by the Bay restaurant. Yeah, again, fantastic restaurant. Yesterday or day before, I posted a video on Kalangut Market. Yeah, this one on the right here. I think they are shut now because of the off-season. Not very sure, but please check on Google. Very good restaurant, guys. If you haven't been here, you must check it out. They have amazing steaks and carpaccio, and their what's that Italian sweet? I cannot, the dessert, I cannot get the name. It's made from milk cream and strawberry pulp, if I remember. Shit, I just can't get the name. Anyway, Santana Beach Resort, another famous, well-known beach resort. So like I said, these lanes, yeah, you can find some really awesome places. Yeah, I'm talking about lemon chili. Sorry, I keep jumping on to different topics. The butter chicken did not taste like butter chicken. I had very high hopes of having good butter chicken because we keep having seafood at home, and seafood is something that I'm not really looking for when I'm going to restaurants. Believe it or not, I'm someone who wants good Indo-Chinese cuisine, good continental food and Punjabi food when I'm visiting restaurants, because I think we have the best Goan food at home. Look at this, another entrance towards the beach, and again the beach looks fabulous, and due to monsoon, sea is rough and unsafe for swimming. Clear instructions given there. Fisherman's hut here, and what's this? This again is the entry to Santana Beach Resort. So they have quite a big property, and calamari is another famous restaurant here that's there. Okay, once again, let me talk about lemon chili, and I promise I'll finish this topic right now. So the butter chicken was like, it's like chicken curry with some chicken pieces, although there were quite a bit of chicken pieces, but I did not enjoy the butter chicken. And if you've been following our channel since many years or months or whatever, if you watch the Relish video, Relish restaurant in Kalangut, unfortunately they are shut for the season, but their butter chicken is top notch. Okay, you have to try their butter chicken, guys. I know many of you guys watching from the UK and US and the other countries, you love butter chicken. I do as well. Why not? It's such a fabulous dish. But yeah, I think the best one is Relish. So if you're planning to visit restaurants during the season, I highly recommend Relish for their butter chicken, and their ambience is good. Everything is good. It's a very nice place to visit. And yeah, the one that passed by behind as well, Salt by the Bay. And then there is Ban 31 in Kalangut. There are many places that we've covered, so you can have a look at our videos. But yeah, lemon chili, I'm so sorry, I'm not visiting that place again. Their Google reviews are so good, and so many Instagram reels. I find it funny, people who do Instagram reels, and I know they get paid for this. But guys, if you're taking money and if you're making reels, at least make sure that you're making reels for good places, not places where the food is not going to be good. At least make reels in places where you yourself will go and have the food. Okay, one more lane here. Let's explore this lane. What is this? Villa D'Souza, private property. Villa Justina, again private property, and as you can see here, collecting garbage collection truck is here. Let's go ahead. Small shop, farm and sand. No entry board here. Somerville. This is a well, guys. In the olden days, people would use these wells for water. Even nowadays, some of the old properties, they still have wells. And look at this. Like, I'm sure many of you guys would have not expected these lanes to have so many different places, right? Just look at the properties. There's so many, mostly commercial properties. Residential are very few, at least in these parts of Kandolim, Palm and Sands. Another well-known place, Marquis Beach Resort. Another resort here. I think we are going to make a dead end. Yes. And this once again will take us towards the beach area. Palm and Sands, Goa, Seaside Dining. Someone had just commented recently, was it Palm and Sands? Yeah, Savio. I think Savio. And talking about Savio, guys, we have some members on our channel. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Yes, our videos are free and will always be free, but once you join as a member on our channel, you are really helping us financially to cover more places, because fuel is not cheap. And yeah, I really appreciate the support. Let's see what's there in this lane. Again, this lane has taken us towards private property, and let's turn back. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Yes, I have covered multiple lanes. Unfortunately, it would not be possible for me to really show you each and every lane in the map, but I have spoken about the areas and the places. You can search it on Google Maps and you will get there. And yes, now we are back on the main road, and this on the right here again was a private property. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.